Hey folks, how's it going? So yesterday we looked at the generate and verify sales order. Today we're going to have a quick look at the 02, which is create outbound delivery. Just maybe 4, maybe 5 modules are used. Like this module for the module SAP toolbar is used on numerous occasions, and then we can see the status bar is used. And obviously we do a close transaction. 1 or 2 of the modules in here, I believe. For example, the pop-up, that's something that had to be scanned. It's not something that is germane to the built-in SAP modules. As you can see, the little pop-up, it looks like that. Just says system will exit processing. Do you want to save your data, yes or no? So you give it yes, no, or cancel. So let's have a click through and see what we get. We have to run one after the other. Let's give it a go. This is the first part of the test. It's creating a standard order. Changes the document date. And that's it. Super quick. We can have a look at it in more detail now. So it uses the short code VL01 and then puts in the shipping point, a selection date and an order number, and it hits enter and then hits exit. You get the little pop-up and you say yes, and then we verify that the delivery, we verify the outbound delivery number and that is a success, and then we just close it off again by using a /n. That's it, guys. Cheers. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever. Basically it helps the channel, and unless you do stuff like that, the YouTube algorithm tends to ignore these videos. So if you share with a friend, it really helps. Cheers. Bye.